What's going on, Post fam? Today is a very good day because I'm doing an unboxing video of the A7X studio monitors. As a lot of you guys know, I've been using the Yamaha HS50, which is like the old version of HS5. They've been great for starting out, but I've been wanting to upgrade for quite some time now. I was hanging out at my friend's studio in Detroit recently, and he has the A7X, and I heard my own mixes on them, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are crazy. And I've been wanting to upgrade to those ever since, and Adam Audio actually sent these to me for free recently, which is like amazing. I love them so much. And we're gonna do a little unboxing, and I'm gonna talk about them a little bit, and let's get into it. Thank you, Adam Audio, I love you. All right. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's get this unboxing happening, going. Ooh, it's hefty. She's hefty. You wanna know how I got these scars? Kinda mean. Ooh, all right. Here he goes. Oh, there's another box. All right, I'm cool with it. I'm down with it. That was easy. Oh, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Now for the real unboxing. You also want to know how I got these scars? Alright, so what we got here so far. Nice little owner's manual. Here's to be a power cord. Let's get these puppies out. It's kind of hard to get out. Oh man, look at this. The unveiling. My hostage. Oh man. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Look at that. Oh, that could not be more gorgeous. Oh, just imagine how it sounds. All right, let's get that other puppy out. Oh, here she is. It's like the twin. Okay, but real talk, guys, this is like the sexiest monitor I've ever seen. Like, it's got like that matte black, kind of not shiny, but like, which is kind of my favorite look. This yellow thing, the tweeter right here, just looks so classy and so unique. I love these controls on the front here, the volume and then the power. It makes it really convenient because for some reason I get annoyed when I have to like go to the back of the speaker to turn it off every time, but this one's really convenient because it's on the front. So on the back here, we have RCA input, a balance XLR input, and then we have these controls here. I don't know if you can read them. We have the high shelf, low shelf, and the tweeter level. So you can adjust those accordingly to your room if you want to. Let's check out some of these features. Okay, so we got a 7-inch teeth toner, hand Geffer to, wait, that's not English. Oh, that's better. On these bad boys, we got a 7-inch woofer, handmade X art tweeter. Handmade, wow. No wonder it's so beautiful. Front panel power switch and volume, XLR, RCA, bi-amp tweeter, 50 watts, woofer 100 watts, RMS. Yeah, since these ones are 7-inch compared to my old ones, which I think were 5s, they're gonna be a lot more powerful, and I can imagine they're gonna sound quite a bit better. Oh dang, frequency response 42 hertz to 50 kHz. That's a little bit overkill if you ask me. I think we can only hear up to 20,000 kilohertz, so hey, I'll take another 30 any day of the week. Crossover frequency 2.5 kilohertz. So I guess the crossover between the tweeter here and the other part of the speaker is at 25K. So this tweeter is only putting out frequencies above that, so it's just the high frequencies there, which I can't wait to check out. And yeah, we got the controls here and the size of it, and ooh, warranty. That's always good. All right, guys, I'm just dying to hear how these sound, so why don't we go to the studio and set them up? All right, my dudes, so I got these mad lads into my studio. As you know, I had my old monitors, the little ones, on here. I heard that it's not as good to have them on the table, so it's better to have stands, so I wanted to have good stands for these bad boys. Dang, that looks so classy. The studio looks so much better now. There's a lot more room up here. I could get a double wide monitor if I wanted to. Might do that someday. I love how they're just kind of up here like that. They look incredible. All right, let's hook them up real quick. I got these XLR cables that have XLR on one side and the other side has a 1/4 inch. So in case you guys are wondering how I do my setup, I have this Complete Audio 6 interface, and in the back here I have these converters. Basically these things right here, it's a splitter so that I can have my subs and my monitors plugged into the same thing. That way they don't have to be aux fed, they're just like putting out the same amount of audio. And for my sub, I have this Polk Audio PSW10, which are like 130 bucks, and they actually sound really good. They're not like boomy or anything, they're really clear sounding. And so what I have is the crossover at like probably 85 hertz. And then the way that I adjust them is that I would just like have the level of this match up until I feel like it's a good balance. And then when I turn this knob here on my interface, it'll all adjust the sub and the monitors at the same time. All right, they're both set up now, looking gorgeous. Yeah, let's turn them on and get them going. You guys already know which song I'm gonna be playing. My brand new song, Say. Oh, man. These are amazing, guys. Woo! Alright guys, so I have them all set up. I took some time to listen to them and wow, they did not disappoint. If I had a tail, I'd be wagging it right now, for sure. So yeah, right off the bat, I can just tell they're so much more clear than my HS5s. Nothing against Yamaha, but these ones are a lot bigger and they're more like higher price range. In case you're wondering, these are about like $750 each, making it like $1,500 for the pair. So it's a little bit expensive, but it's for a good reason. They sound so good, so clear, very well made. I love Adam's audio because, like they said, it's handmade tweeters and you can just tell they're made with finesse and they look amazing. Yeah, so specifically I noticed from the high end of the speakers with the tweeters, it's just so clear and so full sounding too with the rest of the speakers. Matched up with my sub, it's just a complete full sound and I honestly couldn't be happier with it. I don't know if I'll ever need to upgrade. Another thing I noticed, I don't know if I'm crazy or if this is a real thing, but it really feels like everything is like more spaced out. I feel like when I listen to songs I can like see and hear more like dimension. That's really exciting for me because when I make songs, I'm gonna be able to kind of space things out better in the mix and just kind of hear what it sounds like on an amazing system. So I'm not like super technically smart or anything. As you guys know, I'm a little bit more intuitive with my producing and everything, but as far as I know, I just have zero complaints about these things. They just sound so good, so clear. So if you're in the market for getting new monitors and upgrading, if you have like a cheaper pair, then I would 1000% suggest these just because, like I said, they're made with finesse and they sound so good. I think you can probably go to somewhere like Guitar Center if you want and give them a test yourself. If you're considering buying new monitors, it's a good idea to like check out a bunch of different ones, but I just knew from the first time I heard these at my friend's house that it was something that I wanted because, like I said, like it feels more spacious and the frequency response is just, yeah, so clear. I apologize that I'm not really qualified to give a very detailed review on how everything works, but my good friend Michael, who has the YouTube channel In The Mix, did a review on them and he did a way better job. He explained things really well. So if you want to know more about the specifics of these speakers, I'll put a link in the description where you can watch his video. Yeah, so I'm honestly probably just gonna spend the next week just like listening to music because it's just such a great experience. I love my new sound system. It looks amazing. I'm just so excited. I'm so inspired to make music. And thank you so much, Adam Audio, for sending these to me. I couldn't be happier with them. And I know it's just gonna help make my music just get even better. So thank you so much. So that's all I got for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you got a better idea of what these speakers are like. If you're not already subscribed, dude, subscribe. It's not that hard. And yeah, peace.